Look what I found on the island.
Wow, that looks delicious. Did you make these cookies?
Yes, try one. Listen, team. Our fridge is empty. We need food. But the supermarket is full of traps. It has colorful candy, salty chips, and expensive toys. Today, we must be strong. We have 3 rules for our challenge.
All right, you two. Who wants the first cookie?
Me!
I do.
Go on, then.
Rules? I like rules. What is rule number 1, Sophia?
Rule number 1, we only buy what is on the list. If it is not on the paper, it does not go in the cart.
That was a good try, sweetie, but let's aim a little softer next time so we don't break anything.
That sounds hard, Mom. What if I see a new video game magazine?
Strictly forbidden, Tom.
Huh.
Rule number 2, we stay together. We are a team. No running away to the toy aisle.
Rule number 3, we must find the healthiest food for the best price. Are you ready?
Yes, Captain Sophia.
Yes!
Yeah! Yay!
Yes! Look how bright it is outside. Can we make pancakes right now, Dad?
All right, slow down, sunshine.
Your father needs his coffee first. Let's make our list. First, we need protein. David, what should we get?
Looks great, doesn't it? Are you ready to try some?
Yes, please.
All right, just a little longer.
We need a big chicken and eggs, milk. I want cold milk and yogurt. Okay, milk and yogurt. Now, Tom, we need carbohydrates.
Bread and pasta.
Perfect. Finally, we need vitamins. We need many fruits and vegetables. We need apples, bananas, broccoli, and carrots.
Woohoo! Pizza time!
Yeah!
Let's go!
This is it, the happiest place on earth, the snack aisle.
Let's roll!
Here we are, the supermarket. It is very big and very bright. Remember the rules. David, you push the cart. Lily, you hold the list. Tom, you are the price scout. You find the cheapest options.
Look at all the vibrant colors in the produce section.
The fresh fruit looks amazing today.
Whoa! Look at those chips. They are mega spicy flavor, and they are buy one, get one free. Wait, Tom? Is it on the list?
No, Dad. It is not on the list.
Did everyone get what they wanted for the party?
I got my chips, and I got the cookies.
Stay focused, Tom. Look over there. The broccoli is fresh and green. It is much better for your brain than spicy chips.
How about these green grapes for the picnic?
They look perfect. And we definitely need more of these red apples.
I like the red ones. We are winning the challenge. Next, check the fruits. They are very healthy and colorful. Look at these apples. They are so shiny. Can we get the red ones or the green ones?
Tom, check the price. Which one is the better deal?
The red apples are $3. The green apples are $4. The red ones are cheaper.
Okay. Great job, Price Scout. Lily, mark apples off the list. We are winning the challenge.
Oh, look, honey. They have the cereal you like on sale. This new supermarket is wonderful.
Look, the new Super Berry Crunch. Can we get it? Well, you have been asking for that one. Go ahead and grab it.
Just one box now. Look, a box with a cartoon rabbit. It has marshmallows and chocolate bubbles. Please, Mom? Please?
Lily, remember rule number 3. Healthy food. Look at the sugar on that box. It is too much.
Nah.
Sophia is right, Lily. If we eat too much sugar, we will feel tired later. Let's choose the honey oats instead. Perfect, that one looks fresh.
Okay, into the cart it goes.
I have the chicken. It is heavy. We are almost finished.
We just need the milk and the eggs. Tom, can you find the milk with the blue cap?
Found it. And I checked the date. It is very fresh.
Wow, look at all this healthy food.
I can't wait to make a salad tonight.
Can we eat the grapes now?
Excellent. Team, look at our cart. It is full of colors. It is full of health. We have everything on the list. We stayed together.
Are you ready to go home, sweetie?
I want ice cream. This is the hardest part, the last-minute traps. Look at those cookies right there. They want us to buy them while we wait.
I am feeling a little hungry now. Those cookies smell amazing.
Dad, rule number 1. It's not on the list.
You caught me, Lily. You are a great list manager.
That is a very healthy cart of groceries. You kids are doing a great job helping your parents.
We are on a survival challenge, sir.
We are back home. The challenge is over. We survived the supermarket. Now, let's look at what we achieved. We saved money because we followed the list. We bought healthy food because we were smart.
We got the milk and fresh bread. And look, your favorite cereal. This banana is really good.
I think this is our best batch yet.
Absolutely perfect. Can we eat them now?
Look what I brought for breakfast.
Wow, apples!
They look delicious.
Thank you for joining our challenge today. Remember, English is like a supermarket. There are many words, but you should choose the best ones and practice them every day.
If you liked our story, please subscribe for more family adventures. See you next time. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
See you later.